Are noodles bad for our health? In this video, I'll explain some nutritional facts about noodles. I'll also guide you through the step-by-step method on how to prepare healthy noodles and how often you should consume it. So please stick around to the end of the video so you don't miss any important information. Hi guys, I'm Joy. Welcome back to my channel. To prepare these noodles, I have some water boiling already. I'll simply add 120 grams of noodles to it, then allow it to cook. While that cooks, let me tell you some facts about noodles. It lacks some essential nutrients such as protein and healthy fats. It's high in carbohydrates, which can lead to weight gain and subsequently obesity if consumed regularly. Noodles actually take longer time to digest, and this can actually lead to digestive problems because they are low in fiber, which is essential for good digestion. It can also cause increase in blood pressure, constipation and bloating due to high sodium concentration. Knowing what you consume is actually very important. So please, whenever you go out to the market to purchase noodles, I advise you to look at the nutritional label per serving size and also the ingredients as well. This will enable you to understand better on what you consume. And please don't mistake one product to the other, because different products have different information. So with all this in mind, how can we actually make a very healthy noodles for ourselves? Alright, after about 3 minutes, I will sieve the noodles. It's actually very important to parboil your noodles. This will enable you to put away some chemical preservatives such as tertiary butyl hydroquinone, which is found in most processed foods to extend its shelf life. Next, I'll add some cooking oil to my pan. I'm using palm oil, which is a very healthy oil that's free from cholesterol. I also add some diced onion, then saute till fragrant. Following that, I'll add some chopped tomatoes and some scotch bonnet pepper as well. They are rich in vitamins, mineral and antioxidant properties. I'll just mix everything together and allow it to fry on medium heat. After about 3 minutes of frying, I'll also be adding some seasonings from the noodles and allow it to fry. Next, I'll carefully transfer the noodles back into the pan, then mix properly. Since we're actually making a very healthy noodles, I'll be adding some green beans and carrots to supply us with some vitamins. I'll also be adding some onion for extra flavor, then mix everything together. I actually love to go extreme in building nutrients, so I'll be adding some fried plantains at this level. This will supply us with some fiber to aid digestion and also some vitamins and minerals. I'll just mix everything together, allow for 2 extra minutes so the vegetables could soften up a little bit. And guys, our noodles is pretty much ready. Just look at this. Since noodles is one of the inexpensive meal options, it's very important to practice moderation and also supplement our body with some nutrient-dense food such as fruits, vegetables and some whole grain. By doing this, we tend to reduce the risk of developing some health problems associated with consuming lots of noodles. It's actually advised to eat noodles once or twice in a week. If you've learned something new today, please kindly hit the subscribe button down below so you can be instantly notified whenever we upload new educative videos like this. Please do ensure you like, share it with your friends and loved ones, and also leave me a comment in the comment section. See you next time with another exciting recipe. Do remember that moderation is the key to healthy living.